I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 10. Now, I should tell you that Windows 10 will be ending its support on October 2025. So that means you won't be getting any more free updates and you won't be getting any more virus protection while you stay on Windows 10. But knowing that, if you still want to continue, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, right? So first off, you want to go to this URL here, which is microsoft.com/en-us slash software dash download slash Windows 10. Now on here, you can either download the update assistant. You can click on update now. This is the update assistant that will automatically help you to upgrade to Windows 10. You'll just run this here. I won't run this because I'm already on Windows 11 and that will cause some problems. Or you can also have a Windows 10 installation media, but that means you need to obtain an ISO and you will also need to make a installation media with a USB, and that'll be pretty complicated. So I do recommend just doing the update assistant here to just automatically help you update from Windows 7 all the way to Windows 10. Although do note that you will need a uh, license key to actually upgrade to Windows 10. It's not free. I think the only way that it's free is that if you upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 11. I think that's free. But if you want to download to update from Windows 7 to Windows 10, then you will need a license key. But of course, just run this program here that I already showed you how to download, and it will help you and walk you through the process of updating from Windows 7 all the way to Windows 10. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.